So I've coiled up this ring shank. It's too long, obviously, as you can see, that's why it's overlapped. And it would be nice if the join for this ring was down the middle, but if I cut that through there, I've then got 2 lengths of metal, that length. And it'll be a shame if in the future I need a longer bit of platinum and I have to melt them together and start again. Waste of time, so I need to consider it and leave as long a bit as possible. It's way more useful for future jobs if you just have long single bits of metal rather than lots of little bits. So what I'm going to do is I will look at them carefully from the side. There might be one slightly more preferable than the other. I think this is my best one. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut off the end of that just because that's that weird milled bit. Cut it about there and cut through there. So unfortunately my join will be slightly off to the side, but that's certainly not the end of the world. And then that leaves me with this whole long section for future ring sizings or turning into wire, whatever. It's just always better to have as much metal together as possible. So yeah, consider how you cut things up.